Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a recreating someone's tutorial, makeup. I did one of these videos like in November, but I wanted to do another one. Plus they're trendy right now, trendy. So I'm going to do Yazonline, my fave, my queen. She's literally so gorgeous. Like, I wish I was her. But I'm going to be doing her pink glitter half cut crease makeup tutorial. I did do a makeup tutorial that was like this, but it was for Valentine's Day, but like, it's fine. Like, I'm gonna just do this because I really like, this is like my favorite video of hers, and this is how I found out about her, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna watch her video. I got this notice on. Okay, so first she's doing her eyebrows, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna watch how she does hers. It's not gonna be the same, but because she has fuller eyebrows than me, but kind of like does the lines in the beginning of her eyebrow, but I need to fill in like this spot. Like, this eyebrow's fine, but this eyebrow is like really messed up. It's like really weird, so I have to like fill in. This one needs some help. She fills in her eyebrows really more natural than me, but this one needs help. So now I got that all primed up and everything. Okay, so she puts a white eyeshadow all over the lid. So I'm gonna take the Morphe 35O palette, and I'm just gonna take one of this light shade. I'm gonna take this brush, light brown shade. I'm just putting it all over my lid just to set. Okay, so she's blending a light pink in the crease. So I'm taking my Take Me Back to Brazil palette and blending this light pink. So I'm blending this light pink into my crease. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay, and then she blends a bright pink into the crease, which I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills brush for this, like this side, because that's what it kind of looks like. I'm gonna take this bright pink and blending it into the crease. So now I'm blending that with a smaller brush into the crease. So I think her bright pink is kind of different than mine, so I'm just gonna like try to blend in a color to make it more purplish toned. It's not really purplish toned, but it's more dark. Okay, highlight brow bone with shimmery pink. Let me see if I can find a shimmery pink. Oh, maybe I should just use one of my highlighters. Might work out. I have my glow kit. I could take my glow kit. I could take Starburst and put it on there. So I'll use this brush, and I'm gonna take Starburst and highlight my brow bone. I'm gonna take this dark pink and I'm just gonna blend this in there. So I feel like hers is looking a little bit different. I'm gonna try to use my love letter in here. Now she puts concealer on her inner lid. Oh, that was a really good line. Ooh. Okay, this side's obviously gonna be terrible because I already know if one eye is good, then the other one's gonna be terrible. Okay, now I'm gonna take this concealer brush. I'm just gonna wipe it off a bit and just try to blend this out. I'm just blending it out on over, like how she was doing, because she blended out all the way over. She outlines the concealer with a darker pink, so that's what I'm doing. I'm using what's it called? I'm gonna take Love Letter and outline
it right there.
The concealer.
And yeah.
Okay, and then I'm gonna take my brush and I'm just gonna try to blend it out. So they're blending the bright and dark pinks on our lid facing into the concealer. So I'm gonna see what kind of brush she uses, and then I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm gonna take a similar brush. I have a brush that's almost just like, it's this one. I'm gonna take this brush and I'm gonna take the dark burgundy color, the Nation Red, the bright pinks too, and blend it onto my lid on the outer edge.
Blending so many, all the pink colours I've used on my outer lid and fading into the concealer so that it's just really blended and there's no harsh light.
Okay, so now I'm gonna blend this all. It's more like a purpley color that I created, not really reddish pink like she did. It happens. It happens. So that's us. Yeah, now she's outlining the inner lid with glitter liner, which I'm using. Okay, it's looking a bit more like hers with the glitter liner. Okay, now she puts on lashes, which I'm letting this dry first. Now my dog's barking, and but I have on lashes, so I'm doing great. I'm out here doing great. Okay, so now she's just doing her face makeup. So I'm gonna start off by spraying this water on my face just so my face feels a little bit more hydrated. And now I'm putting primer on. Let me find my primer. My sponge isn't even wet. Also, these are the Ditto lashes in D105. I have a code. Oh, it's Maddie. Okay, so she does color correcting, but I don't have color corrector. I should get some because I do have a lot of red on my face, but I'm gonna makeshift some by taking my concealer and a green eyeshadow. I'm just gonna put it. See, that's like the color. I'm just gonna put on my red spots. Oh, I look so good. Mine is gonna be lining out with a beauty blender. Okay, so now she's doing foundation. I'm gonna use a pump foundation. I'm gonna use this one, and she's pumping it right onto her face. She blends it out with a brush and a beauty blender, but I'm just gonna use a beauty blender because I don't like using brushes. This is like my favorite foundation that I have. Haven't used it in a while. Okay, so now I'm blending it out. I look really white and yellow. I'm using this big fluffy brush and I'm just gonna bronze on my face. And I kind of like what it's doing to my face. It's a nice brush.
I know this. And then
I have to bronze my forehead, like, because I have a big forehead. Just bronze on my face, and now we have to bake. Okay, she obviously uses translucent powder, but you guys already know I don't have translucent powder, so I'm just gonna use my banana powder as always. And she puts it on the side of her nose and over, which that's probably not gonna be good for my dry nose, but she puts it obviously here. Because we always see pictures of her with it on. I'm so ugly. Bro, that this does not even look like me. I hate waiting for my stuff to set, so we're just gonna move on to the next step. She wipes it off. I'm gonna wipe it off. Now my nose is as dry as the Sahara Desert. Okay, she puts highlight on, so I'm gonna put some highlight on. But she said not that much, but like obviously I'm gonna put a lot on. I'm gonna use what I use to highlight my brow bone. And now she's doing fake freckles, and the mess in front of me is just so pretty. She's doing fake freckles now. She's using a weird brush. Now that I have dots all over my face, and I'm gonna put Vaseline on. She's a lip liner or lipstick, but I don't have lipstick or lip liner. Well, I have lipstick, but I don't have lip liner. And now I'm gonna put the pink up in my eye. Okay, then she puts clear lip gloss on top, but I'm just gonna put my NYX Butter Gloss and creme brulee on. Okay, I'm gonna actually not use that. I'll use my sexy mother pucker lip gloss. That's it for the video. I think it kind of turned out similar. Mine's a little bit like, but I think I got like a lot of it down pretty good, and she did give me a lot of tips because I love Yaz, like Queen Yaz. Also, she has not put eyebrow. She didn't put eyebrow gel on her eyebrows, so I really need to do that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Like and subscribe. Comment down below who else you want me to recreate. On my social medias at Maddie. I have Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat. Love you all, and see you. Ew, I'm sorry. See you next time.